How to add PayPal to AliExpress. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can easily add a PayPal for payment on AliExpress. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up AliExpress application and make sure to log into your account, or if you don't have one, just create an account. It's pretty easy to sign up for it using your email. Once you have your account logged in, you just need to find a product that you want to purchase. Or if you even don't want that, you can just head over to your account section and then settings at the top right. Once you get to the settings, you'll find your payment options or payment settings. Now, if you don't see it here, then all you have to do now is go to your checkout page. So if you have any items on your cart, just head over to your cart and then go to checkout. If you don't have one, just add a random product to your cart. Then go to your cart and then click on checkout. And while you check out, you'll see your payment method. So the first method is PayPal. Just tap on PayPal and you can select other payment method as well, but I'll just use PayPal's Pay Later if you have it, or you can just go and continue with normal PayPal. Now tap on confirm. And once you get the code on your PayPal, just enter it up and log into your account. Then you can just continue on with your payment. So that's how you basically add PayPal on AliExpress. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.